Alright, well, maybe you can see stuff. No? Probably not. Anyways. It's 2 in the morning. We got debris. The hurricane is mostly hitting, what's that place called? Orlando right now. Oh man, that sucks. Let's see. Debris. Debris. Oh, my tree is fucked. Is that my tree? Yeah. Well, neighbor's fence went down. Daddy's fence is still up. Ooh, I can go looting. Let me get some Foot Locker shoes from this guy's house. That sucks. I didn't know that's how. You can just put these panels up. I like that it's not raining. Let's see if the mango tree's up. Come on, mango tree. And it's gone. Mango tree, you used to be alive, and now you're gone. Magnolia's holding up good. Walking around the backyard. Don't know if you can see anything. It's a little wet. There's froggies. Lots of trees. Oh, these are the plastic things Aaron was telling me? I don't know. Oh shit, check this thing out. It moved out of the way. Ow, ow! Corn. Acorn. Don't step on them. That hurts. I should have probably worn shoes. Shoes. Woo! Don't go on that side of the house yet. So the kitty thing was up against this wall. Right here. Ooh, windy, windy. Alright. Let's go ABC wall this thing. Oh good, the shutters aren't bent. I thought they'd be pretty bent down. Guess we're missing one right here. I guess that was the kitty door. Big palms are still up. That's good. Good. And the door to the front on the other side of the fence is good. Oh, there goes the door. Must close door. Hurry up. What are you doing? This is this. Somebody said they were supposed to. What? Hey, this is my film, woman. Get your own. Hey, Shadu. It's not raining anymore. Who am I waking up? I'm louder than the hurricane. You cray-cray girl. David Lee's fence went down, part of it.